Hello, this is Sarah Furman, and this is my Pinterest board. So to get right into it, I'm going to show my EDCI 270 board. I have 8 pins in total, and I have different branches of my organization. So sheep breeds, Ireland sheep picks, sheep products, and this says Ireland farms. So these are sheep farms that you can find in Ireland. I thought that was pretty neat that they had that on here. And then my second board that I'm going to show is my food board. I love food. So it's very organized. So I have breakfast, holidays, lunch and dinner, snacky stuff, soup, pasta, drinks, and sweet treats. So let's just click on lunch and dinner. Just a whole bunch of different yummy recipes that I've saved over my time spent on Pinterest, which is probably too much, and I shouldn't admit how long that is. Anyway, moving on to storing, organizing, and retrieving saved web content. So let's go to the main thing of Pinterest. So let's say you want to save how to make lemonade. Which one do we want? That's a good question. We'll just go with this one. So you're going to click on the pin, and then you're going to click this down arrow that is next to the save button, and you are going to choose what pin you want it to be saved to. I want it to be saved into my food pin, so once I click that, then my different options will pop up. So we're going to do drinks, but I could also create a section if I wanted to. But I'm just going to click drinks, and I'm going to click save, and so let's go see if it's in there. Yep, there it is, right next to all my other stuff. So go back home. So that's how you store, organize, and retrieve pins on Pinterest. And so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the Chrome web store and download the Pinterest save button. It's free, it's really simple and easy to use, and I will show you how to do it. So once you have this downloaded on your Chrome browser, you're going to go to Google and we're going to type sheep production in Ireland. I'm going to scroll down until we find the website we want. I want this one. So now you're going to come up to the top of your screen and you're going to click this puzzle piece. You're going to see all your extensions, and then you're going to click on the Pinterest save button. Excuse me. And all the photos that are on the web page will now be on your Pinterest. Well, not on your Pinterest, but on the Pinterest extension. So you're going to click the one you want. I want this one. So then we're going to click next, and you can click multiple. And I want that photo to go to my 270, and it was a picture of some sheep, so I'm going to hit save. And so we're going to go see if that worked. So let's go back to my profile and see. I think I see it. Oh, yep. There it is. Just as easy as that. So that's how you can also organize your pins, just with your different titles you have within your boards. So now we're going to go back to the main screen, and we're going to I'm going to show you how to search for people. So if someone you know has Pinterest, we're going to use my mom. You just type in their name, click on the first thing that pops up, and there you go. This is my mom's account. So if you want to follow, I'll just unfollow her real fast. It's going to be red, and then you're going to hit follow, and it'll be black to confirm that you're following them. I'm sure I'll receive a message asking what I'm doing, but I'll explain. And then for collections and topics, I'm not sure that there's a way to do that on Pinterest, but all you would have to do is just make your own board. So let's say I wanted to start a goat board. Since I'm doing sheep, I might as well do goats. So 10 must-have basic items for goat owners. That seems like a good place to start, but we are not going to save it in food. We're going to create a board, it's going to be whatever floats your boat. We don't want that to be secret. This just means that it's like a private board, and I don't really want that. So we're going to hit create. Whoa, looky there. So now I'm going to go back to my profile, and there it is. There is my new board.